Today we are making creamy coconut, garlic, and mushroom chicken with rice. A very delicious chicken and rice meal. Alright, to start off, we'll cut mushrooms. This will be about 8 ounces of mushrooms. And you can just cut them in smaller pieces like that. Put it in a bowl and we'll set that aside. Next, we'll get a bouillon cube, chicken bouillon flavor cube. This is Knorr. And this will be part of the seasoning for the chicken. Place that in a bowl and we'll kind of break it up. And we'll add some salt, seasoning, and black pepper. I'm going to crush this up. And I'm going to place this over our chicken pieces. I am using 8 pieces of chicken thighs, bone in. And we're just going to press in the seasoning into the chicken. Just like that, and then turn it over. And we'll put seasoning on the other side as well. Right, next we'll get a pan and we'll place about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to cook our chicken next. We're going to place 4 chicken thighs in my pan. Because that's what will fit, and we will do the next 4 in the next batch. You can cook these a couple minutes on each side and get them golden brown. And that's the color we're looking for, golden brown chicken. They look done, so we will set these aside on a plate. And now we will put in our next 4 batch of chicken. And you may want to use an oil splatter cover because it does shoot out some hot oil, which can burn you, so be safe. And again, this is a golden brown color we're going for. We will set these aside as these look ready. Next, we're gonna remove the oil and we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of butter and let that melt in. We're gonna add in our mushrooms here and just stir that into the butter so we get a buttery mushroom flavor. We're gonna let that sizzle and wilt while we put in about 3 teaspoons minced garlic. And we'll stir that in Now we'll add some dry thyme leaves. Just putting a generous amount here, which may be about 1 to 2 teaspoons. And we will stir this all together in. And now we will add our coconut cream, unsweetened. This will give us a hint of coconut, and this will be replacing milk or heavy cream. So this is a great alternative. And now we will stir this all in together. We're just going to let this simmer, and we will add in our chicken pieces. And we'll baste our chicken. I am just putting 4 for now, and I will show you the next 4, another version with the rice. So this version will just be for the sauce. There you see the creamy mushroom sauce. Alright, we're just gonna let this simmer in and let the sauce evaporate slightly so we get a thicker cream. Ooh, look at that sauce. Doesn't it look delicious? Coconut, mushroom, garlic. Take a closer look at that. Yep, and you can just keep basting the chicken. Get all that sauce over the chicken. And there you go. Our chicken pieces, and just add your sauce right over it. Next, we will do this mixed version with the rice. So I added back 4 of the other chicken, and I took out some of the sauce. If you want, you could use all 8 chicken and just leave all the sauce in there. But I'm only doing half of half, so I'm just doing 4 chicken and half of the sauce. And I will cook 1 cup of rice. And I will add this 1 cup of rice into the chicken. Make sure your rice is cooked before you add this in. And we will just stir this all together. Get all that sauce melted into the rice. We want to get that brown color. And there you go. Chicken and rice. Creamy coconut chicken and rice with garlic and mushroom. This is a yummy dish, and I hope you try it out and enjoy this dish as much as I do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.